Hello everyone, welcome to the CSS tutorial. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to create borders in CSS. So let's get started. So first, I'll create a div within the body and give class to it, that is border1, and I'll close it here. So let's create an element around which the border will be created. So my element will be a heading. Okay, let's create some heading. Write something like learn coding by Harveen. Okay, let's close it. So this is the element you can see in the browser. So this is the element around which I have to create the border. So for creating the border, we'll call the ID border1, okay, within the style tag using dot border1. Okay, so first I want to create a border. So to create the border, I'll be using border style property. I'll use a border style property. So I want a straight line border. So for that, I'll be using a value solid for it. Okay. So let's see what kind of border has been created. So yes, you can see a solid border around this element, around this heading we have created. Now, okay, let's give some margin to this border. We can give a 20 pixels margin, and let's give some width to the border. Let's give a 400 pixels width. So yeah, so this is the border we'll be working on. The second, we want to give some width to the border. For that, we'll be using a border width property. So let's give 20 pixels width to the border. So let's see the result in the browser. So yes, this is the 20 pixel width that has been given to the border. Now we want some more styling. Okay, we can give some color to the border. So for giving color to the border, we'll be using border color property. Okay, let's give a dark blue color to the border. And yes, we got a dark blue color to the border. So if we want, there are many types of borders which can be created. Okay, if you want a dashed border, you just have to give a value dashed to border style property. So you'll get a dashed border. If you want a dotted border, you just have to give a value dotted to border style property and you'll get a dotted border. So there are various kind of borders you can get using border style property. Thank you for watching.